Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to look at putting some lines down the middle of this piece of leather for plaiting. I'm Simon and welcome to Oakside Saddlery. So this is going to be a fairly shortish video, which is a change. I need to put some lines down here. I need to split this into 5 strands. 5 doesn't easily fit, it's 3/4 wide, and I know that if I go by 3/4 wide I'm actually 8/4, things like that don't fit evenly with it, and I have to start really going. If I go metric it still doesn't really go very well, but it's a simple enough thing. All I'm going to use is the metric side of this, and I'm going to split it into 5mm gaps. So I just need a steel rule and a roundel so I can mark it, and all I'm going to do is place the very edge, a very corner, just on one edge, and I'm going to turn this until it reaches 25mm, which is just on that point there. So all I need then, there's one mark. Whoop, try and keep it still. There's one mark there at 5mm, one mark there at 10mm, one mark there at 15, and one mark there at 20. So now I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 strands. Perfect for a nice little mystery braided plait. To get them lines in there then, nice and simple, I'm going to use a set of dividers. I'm going to lay these out. I'm going to draw from one edge, so I want it to come across to there and meet that point, which is too far. There's one line. It's going to start from about there, so it goes down until it reaches there. I'm going to turn it over and get the other side, just check, because it's not always the same depending on where you are. That's about it there. So again, we're going to start there, run it down, it's that mark, finishes there. Next one then, little dot just in there again, still too big. That is it. So again, where's my mark here? There it is. Draw it down there, and it stops just shy there. On the opposite side, a little bit out on that one, so I'm going to tighten up a little bit. Again, mark it up, draw my line down. So simple enough. There I have my 5 strands, or my 5 marks for a strand. You can see them if the light gets on it a bit better. When I cut them down, they're all nice and even. Hopefully nice. Look at my nice clean hand. Just realised the state of it. Stain everywhere. So I can cut them up, get them braided, and I'll have a finished article. It's going to be a dog collar. So this part is plaited, this part is adjustable, and it will be a slip collar, so it will fit through there eventually, and it'll go up nice and tight as in that way around. Anyway, easy video, nice and short, not too long. Have a nice day. Thank you very much, and remember to hit that like and subscribe button. Goodbye, and see you in the next one.